I already made up my mind to visit OKUMAGA. If not, I would have gone back home. This trip was a roller coaster. The scary time, the happy moment.
There's hole everywhere. So me here
Living
trying
with
to use my
strangers
voice
for
to
24
communicate with you
hours
guys. Almost 11:30 for night fishing for them to
and
come
not
the
knowing
following morning.
what to expect.
So on my head here, I was busy calculating how am I going to deal with this big rat.
On my way to OKUMAGA, a very small fishing community where every man knows every man. The beginning of the journey for me comes with mixed feelings. Seeing them pushing the boat is a lot for me already. Reasons why they had to push the boat for it to get to the point where the boat will float on its own. The water have already traveled is known, but evening hours the water will return back. At this point, I'm a little bit scared. I got to a point where I have to come down from the boat and continue the journey with my leg. I've been trekking for over 30 minutes. I have not seen any man walk past me. I'm so thirsty, tired. Whew. Anyways, I've gotten to a point of no return. I have to continue this journey. Welcome to a small island community called OKUMAGA. Both men, women and children knows how to pardon their canoe for daily survival. I spent my 24 hours on this island, sleeping under their roof, eating their food, seeing how they are surviving without at least 1 hour electricity on a daily basis, no good hospital, no running water, but yet they are surviving. They are happy people. It's mind-blowing. So one of the fishermen is back from fishing, and this particular fish you're seeing here is a gift from him to me, guys. From here downwards is OKUMAGA community, which the one I visited. Then across the water is another community. The river divide OKUMAGA with the next community, a very small community. I did not get to cross this river and visit. Maybe next time. Anyways, so these other people, they are also fishermen and women that reside in that particular community. The women go out to pick flamenco and sell, while the men go out twice every day for fishing. Now after fishing, they don't come back to their community to sell the fish. They'll go across the water, the dry land, where market women and men come from the township and buy the fishes from them. Of course, they can't bring the fish to the community. If they do, there is no market there, so they have to go across the river and sell it and come back to rest. So they go back in the evening for evening fishing.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, go away.
Welcome to my apartment. This is where I'm going to be sleeping tonight, you all. And of course, I'm going to be giving you a room tour. So while we do the room tour, there is one thing about this place. This place is safe. You cannot even imagine. Like, they are not scared. The doors are not locked, like properly locked. Of course, everything here is made with wood. So let me take you around the room so you get to see my room for the night. There is two entrances to this particular room. So this is the first door which I came in with, and here is the second door to this room. This is where I'm going to be sleeping. So this species of crab, this is my first time seeing it. Trust me, camera is actually not doing justice to this crab. People of this community don't eat it. Me, I've not seen it before. I've seen different species, about two different species, but this one I have not seen it. Now it's night time, it's dinner time, and I'm eating swallow and okra soup. See, this soup, a lot is inside, and here is how the river looks like at night. It's very, very peaceful and calm. The riverside, I love it. You see, this community is one of the safest community ever.
Hi guys, yeah, good evening. It's time for me to retire. It's time for me to sleep. It's almost 10 o'clock. Of course, I'm in my apartment. Here is my bed. The net is already up. I don't know. I made a room tour where I'm going to be sleeping tonight here in this fishing village or island, whichever one.
So I got a knock at the door. Chairman of the community came to check up on me, to check if I'm fine. So me initially thought I'm going to be sleeping with somebody, sharing the bed. And he said no, I'm going to be sleeping alone. Just want me to be very, very comfortable. These people are very, very accommodating.
As I'm about to doze off, I heard noise. So thinking that it's rats. So I jumped up from the bed, trying to look for a way kill a rat or something like that. So I found out that there's a fisherman. They are about to leave for their fishing this midnight, to come back early morning. So it was the next door. Yes, the man is trying to prepare his trying to pick his net and other stuff, to take off for the night fishing. So me on my head here, running around thinking that it's rats. Since this structure is built with timber, all these wood, trampoline, waterproof, bamboo, and so and other stuff. So any single movement, you will just hear it. So I think there's no privacy for the next door. Like if you have a neighbor here, there's no privacy for each. And if you're having discussion with your wife or whatsoever, you're going to be picking up every single thing because there is hole everywhere. So me here trying to lower my voice and communicate with you guys. I believe they will be hearing my voice, but it's okay.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.
This is my morning view and the sunrise direct opposite my room where I woke up this morning. It's morning bathing time. Right in my hand, I have my towel, my clothes. So I went in with my clothes because I'm going to be changing in the bathroom. And of course, that is my bucket of water. Over there is the bathroom. So let's go and have my bath. Kings and queens, is going back home time, and a good Samaritan helped me carry my bag. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.